breaking now.
We begin tonight with breaking news. Officers are on scene of a crash at Ferry and Haven in east central Spokane.
Troopers say a motorcycle with 2 riders crashed on northbound I-5.
4 crashes, 2 deaths and 2 seriously injured, all in the past 6 days.
More people on 2 wheels are losing their lives on Washington roads. It's an unsettling uptick as the numbers rise in motorcycle deaths. April alone, 12 motorcycle riders have died, according to the Washington State Traffic Safety Commission.
Our HVE program, or also known as High Visibility Enforcement, it gives us an opportunity to go out and focus our efforts on certain locations associated with collisions. We're not targeting anybody. We're not specifically seeking out motorcyclists or drivers of other vehicles either. What we're doing is we're looking at data and we're seeing collisions are occurring at this location. At this time, our goal is always just to stop those violations that we see cause collisions and get those people off of the roadway so your average commuter can do it safely and get to destinations without any incidents. That's our goal, and that's exactly what we want.